In the southeastern region of the United States is the state of Virginia. It's famous for its long history, Chesapeake Bay, and Arlington National Cemetery. Let's find out more about Virginia. Virginia is the 35th largest U.S. state. Around 9 million people live there, and it's nicknamed the Old Dominion. Dominion means colony. Virginia was the first permanent colony established by the English monarchy in North America. English settlers first arrived there in 1607 and established Jamestown, which grew into a thriving settlement. Around 200 years later, in 1783, colonists defeated the English in the American War of Independence. Virginia was the site of many important battles, including the Battle of the Chesapeake. Since then, it has produced many U.S. presidents, including the first, George Washington. In Richmond, Virginia's state capital, the big brains at the Science Museum have taught rats how to play basketball. He shoots! He scores! Virginia has around 7,000 miles of shoreline along the Atlantic Ocean. On Assateague Island, herds of wild horses roam free. You can watch them swim during the annual pony pinning event. Further inland are the Blue Ridge Mountains, where you might spot elusive black bears and peregrine falcons that soar through the skies. You can travel through the Shenandoah National Park along the Skyline Drive, where the views are spectacular. The park also has many waterfalls. Virginia borders Washington, D.C., capital of the United States. On the Virginia side of the Potomac River is Arlington National Cemetery, where many members of the U.S. military are buried. Every year on Memorial Day in May, the president lays a wreath in their honor. Check out this little guy. It's a Virginia big-eared bat. Other symbols that represent the state are the northern cardinal and the state flag, which features the Roman goddess, Virtus, a symbol of peace, defeating a tyrannical enemy. Question time! What did you like learning most about Virginia?